Hang on. I'm taking another picture in a different location now. This is coming out of the ground. Maybe someone can tell me what this one is. There you go. I'm going to zoom in a little bit. And you can tell me what this is. Looks like a petrochemical with something else. Just seeping out the ground again. This is a different location. Different location.